back. I now have all the center lights hooked up, and see if I can get over here in the corner. Place lights up pretty nicely. That last set of lights really brighten the place up. I'll turn them off here and see the difference. This is just a natural light now coming from the back door, window, and from out front. And I'll turn it back on again. Yes, definitely a big difference. Lots of light in here now. I did do a short little clip of wiring in one of the recessed lighting fixtures, so I'll take you to that right now if you want to watch it, and then we'll be right back. All right, we're here at the box at the far end, so there's only one line coming in. This tang is a support tang to hold the wire in. Let's see if I can get that up a little bit to show you. But there's a tang at the top, and that this presses up against the coax or the Romex wire. I usually bend that down with a pair of long needle pliers just to make it easier to get the wire in, and then carefully push it back up with a pair of pliers until it doesn't dig in too far into the Romex, and then pushes it back up. So you got a secure connection now, so it's not going anywhere. So went ahead and stripped the wires. The length of the wire stripped area about 3/8 to 1/2 inch maximum. If you go a little too far, just take your wire snippers and cut them off. So then, since we're secured, now the other ones are going to have two lines coming in, one coming in from the next light down and then off to the next light and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and put this back plate in. There's just a snap thing on it. You slide it in here, and then there's a tang underneath that it slots into, and then you should just snap it into place. Okay, so that's snapped in. Now, again, these are quick push connectors. So here's our ground wire. This is the ground for the box. We just slide it in until it gets pushed up the whole way, and you can look to see how far up it goes to make sure it's secured in there. And that's all there is to that. So we'll push the ground wire to the back, and I like to pull these off to the side while we're working on this. So then here's the black wire, which is your hot wire, and then it goes to the black wire. Same thing, push that in, check to make sure it went in the whole way and it's connected and secure. Push it back into the box, and then we'll do the same with the neutral wire and make sure it's in good enough. And then there's plenty of room here to have two lines coming in, so this is pretty open space here right now with just one line. And then you have the front cover plate. That basically does the same thing with a little slot at the bottom. You just put it on there and get it to snap in there. Okay. It looks like that tang needs to go a little bit higher to clear. There's a tang on the front face to kind of secure that, so we'll just compress that a little bit more with a pair of pliers. Put that in there, and boom, there you go. All snapped in, all ready to go. Okay, so that's how we're wiring those.